This is the site that we're on right now. We've been here all day, all weekend. We're out here getting it. Rain, shine, coronavirus. It does not matter. We keep it going, man. I think it's 5 o'clock right now on a Friday. Most people, everybody's gone, but we're still here. That's what Sunclean does. That's what you need to do, is you need to show up. Right now, there's a lot of things going on in this world. There's a lot of shit that you might be worried about. There's a lot of things that you're scared about, you're nervous, you're frightened. You don't know what to think. You think the whole world's about to get shut down. People are stocking up on food, they're stocking up on water, they're doing all this crazy stuff. But if you are a business person, you are somebody that's an entrepreneur, you need to keep showing up. You need to figure out a way to push those fears to the side and focus on your business. Now, obviously, you got to make sure your well-being is taken care of. Be healthy. I'm not saying not be healthy. But what I am saying is, coronavirus or not, whatever's going on in the world, disasters, economy shifts, whatever's happening right now in this fucking moment, who knows? This might be the end of our good economy because of all this. We don't know. But what I'm trying to tell you is it doesn't matter. You still have to show up. And the only way that you can show up is if you can put those differences to the side. Whatever personal issues you're going through right now, coronavirus, fucking, you can't eat, you can't sleep, you're having relationship issues. It's all piled up on top of each other, and you need to figure out how to push that to the side and stay focused on the task in front of you. I'm not saying you have to be a machine. You are a human being. You are fucking completely right for feeling the way that you feel. But you know what I do when things get crazy and they get hectic? Is I put my head down, is I focus on what's in front of me. I don't worry about all the other bullshit, okay? Prepare, be prepared, okay? That's what I'm doing right now. And honestly, if it wasn't for my fantastic girlfriend, I probably would not be getting prepared for anything, because I kind of take things on as I go. But I'm gonna make sure that me and my family is protected, we're prepared, everything's good. But as soon as that's taken care of, it's back to it. It's back to focusing on what matters, and that's making sure that my business is afloat, my livelihood is there, and I'm ready to rock and roll. Not everybody is a business owner. The whole world is not a business owner, and there's a reason for that. Disneyland, Amazon, all of these places are shutting down right now, but they're prepared for that. They are prepared to shut down an inconvenience like this. Think of it like this: your business is going to deal with these hiccups. There's going to be problems in your business. You are going to deal with it. Here's the thing, I can't predict the future on what's gonna happen with this whole virus thing, if it's gonna be the next downturn of our economy and the stock market's gonna bust and everything's gonna happen. But what I can say is that our government is a business. That's what it is. Our United States of America is a business. You got the president, you got the Congress people, you got the mayors, and I'm not gonna pretend like I know a shit ton about politics and governors and everything else. But what I do know is the United States is a business. It is a business. They, like you, if you're a window cleaner, pressure washer, service industry guy, Disneyland, doesn't matter. Think of Disneyland. They have an issue, a problem. Maybe their problem is it rains for a week, and so they lose business for a week. Much like you are a window cleaner or a pressure washer, you're somebody in the service business. You are going to lose business because of the rain, right? Unless you, like me, and you have multiple types of services and you can figure out a way around that. The United States of America is a business, and they are preparing for fucking issues like this.